Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put 3 numbering list on one line in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to put 3 numbering list on same line. At first, go to the home menu, select the new slide option, choose blank. Then go to the insert menu, select the text box, then draw a text box. Now I am write any text. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse, then go back the home menu and increase the font size. Now I am select the numbering list and choose any number. Then select the text box, click right button on our mouse and select the copy option. Then click right button again and paste in this page. Then move inside. Then again paste and move in same line in the side. Now we can see we make 3 bullet point in same line very easily. You can change the text. Select the text and change this. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.